3D printing, the creation of a physical object from a digital model, is helping to reshape medical research. From customizing lab equipment and assisting in surgical planning, to developing tangible models of proteins and pathogens, 3D printing can save time and money while improving patient care and advancing science.
Every time I take one of these things and give them to a researcher, they learn something from it. And if a researcher who's been using a computer model of this for 15 years learns something as soon as they put their hands on the real tangible model, imagine how impactful it might be for someone who's just starting out.
Daryl Hurt is a researcher at the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. He and his colleagues developed the NIH 3D Print Exchange, a free online library of 3D print files and tutorials.
We created this website as kind of a way to have a YouTube-like experience. But instead of exchanging and sharing and commenting on and remixing videos, instead we are doing all those same things with 3D print files.
At the National Center for Advancing Translational Sciences, researchers use 3D printing to customize and repair equipment. Sam Michael is an engineering director who oversees robot-assisted research, such as high-throughput screening.
So what 3D printing has allowed us to do is not only modify or make field repairs to parts that normally would be expensive or we're not even able to do, but also open up the scope of things that we can even fix, whereas in the past we would have considered to be a loss for a broken or damaged part, for example.
Sam and his colleagues printed a replacement rim, or flange, to improve the robot's grip of valuable compound plates. This seemingly small step has improved efficiency and helped protect the investment in a multi-million-dollar screening library.
The printers allowed us to have the capability to make changes like this, where in the past you wouldn't have a machinist draw a part up and make some aluminum flange. I suppose you could, but it wouldn't be efficient, and the timing of it would be such that probably take a couple weeks to get that part in, whereas you could draw this up, have it printed out within a matter of hours, which in this case we did.
Researchers at the National Library of Medicine use 3D printing for a different purpose. Terry Yu and his colleagues generate custom 3D print files from clinical data, such as CT scans, to aid surgery and other medical procedures.
This is a visualization that we did for colleagues across the street now at Walter Reed Army Medical Center. This is a way to visualize the actual problem, but also the approach that the surgeon might need. This gives you the doctor something to visualize, but it also gives the patient something to visualize as well.
No matter how you use 3D printing, the NIH 3D Print Exchange offers a comprehensive resource for learning, creating, and collaborating.
We want this to be a place where people from all different walks of life can come together and download and share, and who knows what some kid somewhere might come up with in using some of the 3D modeling software, and then share that model out, and someone half a world away may learn something.